So hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Aniket Singh and currently I am pursuing Bachelor of Technology from prestigious Indian Institute of Information Technology Kota. And currently I am in second year and my branch is ECE. And I want to thank our Associate Professor Dr. ANKUSH VASHISTA SIR for granting me this golden opportunity to create a project on Chatbox GUI using socket programming in Python. So basically we are creating a chat messenger like you see WhatsApp, Instagram Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Nimbus, etc. So we are creating a similar to this using Python. So let's get started. First I want to show you the working of my project. So start. Our project is in two parts. It contains client part and server part. So first we'll start server part. So as you can see here, it is written server running and accepting new connection. Later on in this video, I will explain you the main backbone of this project, our code. We'll open client part. As you can see, it's showing please choose a nickname. So I'll choose my name. So now you can see our chat window is open. It is the message area and it is the chat area. In this we write our message and anything. We'll create one more client so that it can be, you can see it will look like a chat. So I'll choose a name Shreya. So you can see our second window is open now and our first window is also. Also you can see that our server part is showing connected with 127.0.0.1. This is our host number or IP address and 49786 is our port number. Nickname of the client is B Aniket, that is me, and connected with 1C. This is also a IP address as we are connected on same server. And nickname is Shreya. So I'll show you how it's working. So Aniket will say, hello, how are you? As you can see, this message is delivered to other chat window. I am fine, Aniket. So you can see all our messages are shown here. Like Aniket is saying, hello, how are you? And Shreya is saying, I am fine, Aniket. So now we'll see the code of a project. And I also want to tell you one thing. You can also customize all these things. Like you can change background color, you can change window color, you can change message color, and you can customize and choose any RGB value. So let's get started. As I have already told that our project is in. So first I will show you the code of our server part. So now you can see this is our code of server part. The function of the server is to handle all the clients and broadcast all the messages to the client. Now we'll be importing socket and threading. These are the libraries of Python which we can install using CMD. Now we will set up a host and a port. So you can see now this 127.0.0.1 is our host number and our port number is 8989, and this is the we are use this to print host. Now we will bind this host and these ports. Now we will create two lists for clients and their nicknames. In this part, there will be three functions: broadcast, handle, and receive function. First, we will see broadcast function. In broadcast function, will broadcast all the messages from one client to the other client. So for clients, in the list of clients, we'll send messages to all the other clients. Now we will see the handle function. In this function, we will handle all the clients. That is, we receive the message, we receive all the messages, and then we send it to all the other clients that we receive from broadcast function. So now we will see our receive function, which will receive all the new connections and add it to the list here. Now we will be running server running and accepting on connection. That is, we are printing server running and accepting all new connections. Now the server part is completed and done, and now we are going to see the client part. So as you can see, client part is open now, and in this part we'll first import socket, import threading, and import tkinter, which you can install using cmd. And now we will set up our host and port number. As you can see, these are same with the server part. Like we have host number set 127.0.0.1 and port number 898. Now we will create a class called client. So in class client, we will be defining end constructors called self, host, and port. As you can see, host and port are connected. Now we will make a GUI which will pop up when we will run the program. The function of the GUI is to take our nickname. As you can see, it is showing please choose your nickname. And now we have to choose our nickname and press enter. And now we will send GUI thread and make GUI thread, and we will make the target to GUI loop using GUI loop. Now we are going to define all these functions. First we will define this GUI loop function. So basically this is just a front-end program. It doesn't have any functionality. As I've already told you that you can customize it as per your choice. So now you can see that we will select our preference to our message box or the color of our message box, that is. So you can see now I have selected background color to aqua and our chat color to lawn green and our font to Arial, and 12 is our font number. And you can see we have selected pad X21 and pad E5. Now you can see I have also selected message to lawn green and font is also Arial. So you can select any color of your choice, like you select light green, light blue, sky blue, pink, purple, magenta, any color. You can select any RGB value and a number. As you can see, I have also added a scroll bar. Now here is our input area. In this area we will add all our messages, and you can see this is our send button. By clicking this, we can send our messages. So now you can see the write function will send all the message that we write in it, and it will be encoded, and it will delete the already written message so that we can write our all new message. As you can see this, we have also selected a protocol that if we close the message window, then our all the chat message and history and all the messages will go deleted. And you can see these stop function will stop all the service and stop sending messages and will stop all the windows. Now we will see our receive function. As we have already seen this function in our server part, and now here in client part The use of receive function is to connect with all the servers, and it will accept the messages from all the servers. And if in the all the conversation, if we receive an error, it will be printed here error, and we can see it in server window. And at last we are connecting host and port, and we have also disabled the configuration because we don't want to edit it. Now I have explained all server part and client part. So now let's see the working of our project. So as you can see, I have already saved our client and server part. So first I'll open the server part to establish a connection. As you can see, server is running and accepting new connection, like I have already showed this. And we'll open a client part. So now this time I'll choose a different name, like Shinchan. So our chat window is open now, and second name is Shiro. So let's place it here. So I will write, "Hey Shiro, how are you?" So it's showing that Shinchan has sent message to Shiro. Now Shiro will write, "I am fine, Shinchan. Would you like to place?" Yes, I will. Yes, I love to. So guys, as you can see, our chat box GUI using socket programming is working now in Python. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.